this right here, this one, a lot of fun. We had a good time. Very similar to Junkyard's Jamboree, as I said before, but still a good time. All right, so we are getting ready to head over to Galaxy's Edge because our boarding pass is coming up here a little bit. Looks like we're about 40 minutes away. And we're gonna go explore Galaxy's Edge for the first time. I'm not sure what the crowds are. Never been here before, so I'm not sure if this is looking busy or not. For those of you that come here regularly, you can tell me if we're looking at really busy crowds or not. We're just stoked to be back in a Disney park. Last time we were in Disneyland was in 2017, so it's been a few years. And with everything going on in California around Disneyland Park, it's a shame that they're having to stay closed. So I'm just really excited that we can actually be here.
Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing. Thank you for your cooperation.
All right, let's see what we've got going on here. Wow, this is really cool. Never been to anything. We never did get a chance to go to Star Wars or Galaxy's Edge over in Disneyland at all, so this is all brand new to all of us. Super cool. Oh, awesome. Look at all the droids. Super cool. This is awesome. Super cool. Of course, for those of you that come here a lot, you know exactly how cool this is, but this is really, really awesome. So immersive. I'm just going to do a quick little sweep around. Come on, Jackson.
Proceed with all, Scan. Your loyalty and refused order is appreciated. To know what you're doing on a day-to-day. Right there. Hold it. Present your identification to civilian channels. Please show your identification. That's an odd response. Your identification. Well, tell us what you're doing on the tube. To a trading outpost on a remote planet at the edge of the galaxy. As you were, on your way. Porgs, I don't want a pet to get you through my armor.
She has.
Keep walking around.
I don't know what that does. My confidence is low.
No, go ahead. know where the entrance to Rise of the Resistance is? So do you know where the entrance is? That's so cool. Huh? Is that it? Oh, yeah. There's the Falcon. It might be, but that's so cool. Oh, that's awesome. Super cool. This is awesome.
Let me get my way.
This is so cool.
40 minutes for
No,
one of them is Millennium Falcon.
this is just cool. Of course, at 45 years old, I'm actually old enough to remember when this was like the new thing, and it was just as awesome today as it is, or it was back then. So cool.
Oh, look, there's
That's Ray, yeah. I think it's right around the corner over here, I think.
Clean your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing. Thank you.
It's Ray interacting with the crowd. And yes, we're making a circle because I need to go back to the restroom since we're going to be standing in line for a while. So, not that you needed to know that, but I figured I would share why we're going right back to the same entrance we were in before. Be back in a minute. Okay, the interstellar bathroom break is over and we're heading back to Rise of the Resistance because we are about 3 away from our boarding group being called. Oh, look at the hover.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Steph, hold on, babe. Stephanie.
Hold on, babe. Stephanie.
Not one to make careless moves.
They're right here.
So thoroughly indicated. This would cost her.
I think we're walking against the grain here. Shift. Sorry, baby. Okay, there we go. Man, it's slick out here. Okay, Miss Map, where are you? You have no idea where we're at, do you?
You have no idea.
That's a relaxation station. That is not the ride.
Look.
So that means we gotta go that
No,
way.
we just have to go around here. I know where we're going.
Uh-huh. Alrighty.
Oh, yeah, that way. It says right here.
When you get lost with GPS, then, well,
I'm not.
not lost. All right.
No. I got it.
You know right where we were. Not where we are, but where we were.
There we are. Hey, would you look at that?
Okay. Ah, there's the X-Wing.
Oh,
Girls,
Stephanie.
girls, hold on. I can't even tell you how many 5 and 6 year olds when I was this age wanted one of these. Still do. They never show up on eBay though. Oh well.
Ta-da!
Awesome. So it looks like right here. Yep. I think we're only a few away. You can check it too, right?
Okay, yeah.
Go ahead and check it real quick. Okay, we're almost there.
Oh, let's sit right here then while we're waiting.
Yeah, I know.
We are literally one away from our boarding group being called, so we're gonna just take a seat. Oh, I'm gonna go record this. This is awesome. Love these things. Looks like some serious bugs have been splattered on the front of this one. Just kidding.